Namaskara everyone. So I'll give you a sneak peek of our collection today. We have pure Tasar Banarsi handlooms with beautiful work and these are all newly launched. So I'll be showing these. Hi Priya ma'am, hi Tarini ma'am, hi Divya ma'am, Nandini ma'am from Bangalore, Puri ma'am from England. Thank you for joining our live. Srila, hi ma'am. Nisha ma'am, hello. So I'll continue my live and I'll just start with the sari which I'm wearing. This is our sari number 1. Sandhya ma'am from Bangalore, welcome to our live. Usha ma'am from Tumkur. So I'll start with my live. Nitya ma'am from Chennai. Little Red Riding, hi. So I'll start with my live now. So this is how my sari looks today. This is our sari number 1. You can see the sari in silver work. So this is, I'll show you in close up. This is how the overall look is. This is the pallu of the sari. I'll show you the border in close up, and the body has pichwai motif all over. So you see the cow and the lotus print. These are all in weaving. So this is how it looks, and I'll show you the pallu. This is how the pallu is, with a third contrast, which is the salvage and the border of the pallu. So this is our sari number 1. This is how it looks, and I'll show you the blouse piece of the sari. This is a blouse piece of the sari in red, and this is the second contrast, and we call this a third contrast, which is in a beautiful neon green color. So this is our sari number 1. I'll show you another color in this. I'll just read some messages before that. Hello, welcome to our live. So can we know from you all, where are you all watching from? We are showing today all pure Tasar Banarsi handlooms, and these are all in pure silks. So we have different varieties in this. I'm showing you the cow weaving first. I have another color in this as well. So I'll show another color. This is our second color, which is in a nice turquoise blue, which you can see. This is how it looks. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the body. So this is our sari number 2. This is how it looks. Shamanur from Bangalore, welcome ma'am. Rashmi ma'am, for the price you can WhatsApp us or DM us in the on Instagram or in the number given below. We will let you know the price. All of these saris today which we are showing are under 15,000 rupees. So this is our sari number 2. This is how the pallu is. I'll show you the work in close up. This is how the cow motif, if you can see. This is a pichwai motif, a pichwai inspired sari with the lotus on the cow motif, and this is the border of the sari. This is how the overall look of the sari is. This is how the pallu is. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the contrast in the bottom. For the price of these saris, you can WhatsApp or DM us with a screenshot so that we can help you with the price and to place an order. We will show you the drape of the sari once. This is how the overall look of the sari is. I'll show you the drape in the next one. So this is and I'll show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. This is also in a beautiful red and in contrast. So this is the overall look of the sari. This is our sari number 2. And now I'll show you sari number 3. Looking beautiful. Thank you. Show the blouse. Yes, Shamnur ma'am, for this the blouse I'll show you. This is in a beautiful pinkish red. This is how it looks. So this is how the sari is. This is our sari number 2. We show you now sari number 3. This is our second series of this Tasar Banarsi collection, which are in plain weaves. Like it's a plain sari in solid colors with temple motif in the border, and we'll show you the interesting pallu as well. This is how the pallu is in twin cow and a tree. This is also pichwai motif inspired. This is how the border is. This is the border in close-up. And you can see the sheen of the Tasar Banarsi, and you can understand the purity and the quality of the sari. So this is how it looks. It's in a scarlet red, like a more sindoor red if we call it more appropriate. So this is how the sari is. This is our sari number 3, sorry. So this is our first sari of our second series, which is in plain color. This is how the pallu is. I'll show you the pallu in close up. The pallu has cow motifs like this. So this is our pallu, and this is the border of the sari. It's a beautiful classic piece. If you can see the plain design, and the cow is highlighted, the pallu is highlighted for the sari. Do you deliver to United Kingdom? Yes, surely ma'am, we do deliver to United Kingdom as well. We have many overseas customers and we do deliver to UK. You can WhatsApp us or you can DM us with the details. We will get back to you with the pricing and we'll get back to you with the process of placing an order. So easy deliveries in UK as well. So yes. So this is our festive looking sari. This is the second series I'm showing in plain color and a Pichwai motif border. The pallu is a highlight of the sari. Thank you. Welcome ma'am. So this is how it looks. I'll show you the drape of this sari. These are easily drapeable and lightweight as well. You can see the drape. It sits well. It's comfortable to wear. And this is how it looks. So this is the drape of the sari. This is how it looks. And I'll show you the blouse piece of the sari. I hope I'm audible and visible. Please let me know. Swami ma'am, price of the sari you can WhatsApp us or DM us on Insta so that we can let you know the price of the sari. This is the blouse piece of the sari and this is the pallu. Rajni Rao, hi ma'am. Can we tell them to make it a little less? The audio is very... So this is how our sari number 3 looks. This is in a beautiful blue. You can see the blouse piece and the contrast of the sari. It's very vibrant. And this is our sari number 3. We'll move on to our sari number 4, which is in another color. It's a plain one. We are going into our plain series now. Rajni ma'am, hi ma'am. So this is how it's in a beautiful purple, and this is how the pallu is. I'll show the pallu first because that's the highlight of the sari. This is how the pallu is with a contrast in pink below, and I'll show you the drape. Can I know from everyone where you're watching from, and a small hi, and let us know how you're finding our collection. So this is our sari number 4 in a beautiful aubergine purple. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is how the border looks. The border has zari weaving all over, and the sheen of the sari, you can see the purity of the tasar and the shine. It looks so royal. So this is how it looks. This is our sari number 4. Swami Vandana ma'am, you can WhatsApp us with the picture and screenshot of the sari. Shilpa ma'am, please WhatsApp us or DM us with a screenshot of the sari so that we can help you with the pricing of the sari and to place an order. Hi Veda from Bellary. Oh wow. Thank you ma'am. It's a lovely collection, Smita ma'am. Thank you. Hi there from Canada. Bobby ma'am, welcome to our live again. I remember you joined last time as well. From Portugal, Miss Gonçalves. Welcome ma'am. Shamanur ma'am, is the MG Road or Malleshwaram? Is it the MG Road or Malleshwaram branch? Ma'am, this is the Jayanagar branch which has reopened newly. So I'm doing the live today from our Jayanagar branch. From Mysore Nice collection, please mention the price. Rajni ma'am, welcome to our live. Ma'am, for the price, these all are in our 15,000 range. All the sarees which I'm showing are within 15,000. So you can WhatsApp us or DM us with the screenshot of the sari so that we can let you know the price of the sari. Hi Bhavesh. So this is our sari number 4, and I'll show you the blouse piece of the sari. Kindly WhatsApp us. We will let you know the price of each sari. All are within 15,000, which we are showing in pure collection. This is the blouse piece of the sari in a nice mustard yellow, and this is the whole look of the sari. I'll show you the drape look as well. These are very easy to wear, and any kind of occasions you can wear these saris. These can be teamed and styled in versatile ways. You can wear it with anything, and these can be worn for any occasion. So this is how a sari looks. This is the drape of the sari. And now we'll move on to our sari number 5. This is the second series we are showing in our Tasar Banarsi collection. Thank you for joining, everyone. So I'll show you sari number 5. This is in a beautiful bottle green. You can see the color. It's a very traditional color and looks beautiful with the third contrast, which is in a mustard yellow. This is the pallu of the sari in the twin cow, Pichwai inspired sari. These saris are very simple ones, yet so elegant and pretty. You can see the sari. This is how it looks. It has a nice temple border, and love the bottle green. Gonsalves ma'am, thank you. All the collection in this is very pretty, like that's why we wanted to show. These are all our newly launched collection. So this is the bottle green one in this never goes out of fashion for sure. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is how the overall look is. I'll show you the drape of the sari, and then I'll show you the blouse piece of the sari. The drape, you can see the shine of the sari. These are pure Tasar Banarsi handlooms with zari weaving. So this is the sari. This is our sari number 5 in bottle green. We'll show you the blouse piece in red. That's a contrast, and this is how the overall look of the sari is. So this is our sari number 5. Please message us or comment here for any queries regarding our sari or our collection. We will be happy to help you, and do let us know how you're finding our collection and where you all are watching from. So I'll show sari number 6 now, which is in a nice sap green. So this is how the color is. You can see the border, the pallu in close-up. This is how it is. I'll show the pallu also in close-up. You can see the zari weaving all over. Sari number 5 price. Sari number 5, ma'am, all of these saris are in 15,000 rupees. And this, for the price of the sari, you can WhatsApp us or DM us with a screenshot of the sari. We will let you know the price of the sari. All we are showing today are within 15,000 rupees. So we kept this price in mind for everyone, so that, and these all, I would like to tell you all that all of these saris are exclusive pieces. That's lovely too. Yes, ma'am. This is a very unique kind of a color, little offbeat. So this is how it looks. This is our sari number 6. This is how the overall look is. You can see the sheen of the sari. This is how the overall look of the sari is. I'll show you the draped version also. I am personally in love with all of the saris here. And this is a very offbeat color. People who want to or are looking for something different, please go for this. So this is how the sari is. We show you the blouse piece of the sari, which is in a nice ink blue. This is like a midnight blue. So this is how the overall look of the sari is. This is our sari number 6. And I would like to let you all know, all of these saris which we are showing today are single pieces, and none of the saris are available again. Like we don't have any pre-orders in any of these saris which we are showing today. These are all single pieces. Once sold out, bookings are already on. So once sold out, we will not be able to take pre-orders for the same. So please hurry up and do your bookings as soon as possible because the festive season is coming up and we have wedding and Diwali and Dashera. So yes, whichever you like, please pick up soon. Pratibha ma'am, the price of the sari, please WhatsApp us or let us know, like you can WhatsApp us or DM us with the screenshot of the sari so that we can let you know the price of the sari. Elegant piece, Shamnoor ma'am, thank you so much. So, Gonsalves ma'am, I like your earrings, where did you buy from? So ma'am, this is my personal collection I had bought somewhere which I cannot reveal here, but thank you. You can WhatsApp me, I'll let you know the price, the place I bought the earrings from. Devangana, hi from UK. Hi, thank you for joining my live. So I hope you all are liking our collection. WhatsApp number, Maitri ma'am, we are going to share the WhatsApp number after this live. So you can WhatsApp there or you can always DM us now on our Insta DM and we have a team to help you and they will let you know the price. Okay, thank you ma'am. Thank you ma'am. Thank you Gonsalves ma'am. So this is, now we are going to show you sari number 7. Okay, so this is a third series we are showing in our Tasar Banarsi collection, which is again in plain border but a very classy piece. I'll show you the border, the pallu of the sari. This is how the pallu looks. This is one of the stunning pieces I feel, very offbeat in a chocolate brown. This is the pallu. It's so simple yet so stunning. I'll show you how it looks after draping. So this is how it looks. Collection is beautiful. Thank you Devangana. So this is how the sari looks. So this is our sari number 7 and the third series we are showing the first sari in this, sari number 7. And I'll show you the border in close up. You have this zari motif all over, like the zari weaving with temple motif. And this is also in complete weaving. You can see the shine of the gold, like it's a matte kind of a finish. And you see the sheen of the sari. So this is our sari number 7. Love the brown too, surely ma'am. Please let us know which one you would like to place an order. We'll be happy to help. Collection available in Malleshwaram. Ma'am, these are available on Insta. But if you want, we can always send that to Malleshwaram as well. For that, you would need to contact us or DM us or WhatsApp us with the details so that we can help you. Pratibha ma'am, you'll save live. Yeah, so we are going to save this live and we are going to post it as a reel and then you can see the saris and the collection. Very beautiful saris. Bought one earlier. Shivi ma'am. Okay, lovely. Any more messages? What silk is it? Malvika ma'am, these are all pure Tasar Banarsi. These are all pure Tasar handlooms, pure silk and with zari weaving. So this is how it is. These are all Tasar. The fabric is pure Tasar. Can you show the blouse of this? Sure ma'am. Puri ma'am, you show the blouse of this sari. So this is the blouse of the sari, which is in a nice bright turquoise blue. It's the exact color which you can see here. This is how it looks and I'll show you the blouse piece in close-up. So this is how the blouse piece with the zari weaving you have. So this is how it looks. So Puri ma'am, this is the blouse piece and this is the overall look of the sari. Yes, these are pure handloom Shivi ma'am. So these are handloom Banarsi, these are handloom Tasar Banarsi and these are pure silk. So you can see the shine of the sari and this is the pleat. This is the pleat of the sari. So this is the drape of the sari. These are very comfortable to wear. We show you now sari number 8 after this. Please WhatsApp us or DM us with a screenshot of the sari so that we can help you place an order. And even for the price inquiries, please WhatsApp or DM us for the same. If there are any more queries, please WhatsApp us or you can comment here so that we can help you for this. We can help you and reply to the queries if you have anything regarding the saris today. And please let us know how are you finding our collection. That will really help us to do even better next time. And do let us know what you want to watch and see in our live next, which kind of collection. So this is our sari number 8. This is how the pallu is, with a nice red third contrast. That makes the sari even more different. So this is the sheen of the sari. All these saris are single available pieces, no pre-orders, and these are our exclusively launched collection. And you can see the sheen of the sari. So this is our sari number 8. I'll show you the drape of this sari. These are pure handlooms. You can see the quality of the sari and the picture. It's exactly the way you can see in this. And for placing an order, do DM us or WhatsApp us on Insta or WhatsApp. We will help you know the prices. These all are ranged in 15,000, within 15,000 rupees. So we wanted to show some nice price friendly collections. So that's why we got these newly launched Tasar Banarsis. So I'll show the blouse piece of the sari, which is in a contrast. So this is how it is in a mustard yellow. This is how it looks. We'll show you the blouse piece in close up. So this is how the blouse piece is. Waiting for the orange shade I saw in the story. Yeah, we will be showing you the orange that's coming up, ma'am. You can just few minutes we'll show you the orange shade in that. So this is our second series which we are showing in the plain ones. This is our last one we are showing in our second series of plain with a big dot, which is a stunning factor of the saris. This is the last one which we are showing in bottle green. And then we move on to the third section, which is Puri ma'am's favorite. We'll show you the orange one. So this one is the one. This is the last one in our second series, which is sari number 9. This is how the border, the pallu is, and the third contrast. And I'll show, this is how it looks. This is how the sari looks. It's a beautiful bottle green with a pallu like this. We'll show you the blouse piece also. Any more messages, please let us know. Any queries, please comment here so that we can help you with that. So this is the blouse piece in contrast in aubergine purple. This is how it looks. And this is the pallu. I'll show the drape also for this. These are super lightweight and very nice modern pieces and can be worn in any age. And these are like classic. You can team it up with anything. And most versatile pieces, I must say. So yes, this is our sari number 9. This is the drape of the sari. Now we go move on to our next. We have 2 more saris to show, which is our last series of today, and this is our third series. So we show you those 2. I'm showing you the second last one now. So yeah, this is our third series with all over work in beautiful orange. Puri ma'am, I hope you are there. DM to know the. Thank you, Debangana, for helping. So this is how the sari looks. This is a beautiful orange one. The color itself is so stunning with all over work. All of these saris are priced under 15,000. So this is how the overall look of the sari is. I'll show the pallu in close-up. So this is how the pallu is. You have this zari weaving all over in floral. This is the motif of the border. And the body looks stunning with these kind of motifs. So this is our sari number 9. This is our sari number 10. This is our third series, the first sari which we are showing. So this is the overall look of the sari. This is also pure Tasar Banarsi with all over work, and the motifs look stunning. If you want something for a festive occasion or even for a wedding occasion, these are perfect. Puri ma'am, stunning. Purnima ma'am, for the price of the sari, you can WhatsApp us or DM us with a screenshot of the sari. We will let you know the price. So you can see the sari. This is the orange one which we are showing you, and this is how the overall look is. This is the drape of the sari. These are beautiful pieces. Our sari number 10. I'll show you the blouse piece of the sari, which is in a nice aubergine purple. This is how it looks. So these are all single available pieces. So please book yours as soon as possible, because we are getting messages and it is getting sold out, and we will not be able to take pre-orders because these are single available pieces. So this is our sari number 10. Is this available? Ma'am, this is available on Insta as of now. So if you want to book the sari, you can WhatsApp with a screenshot, or you can DM us on Insta to book it immediately. Because these are single available pieces, I don't think, ma'am, we will be having it till some more time, because I think I'm showing 11 saris today. So if it gets sold out, we will not be able to provide that in the store. And these are also not available on pre-order. So book your piece soon. So I'm showing you the last sari of today. I started with a royal blue. So I'm ending with a royal blue as well. So this is how the sari looks. This is the pallu of the sari. And this is the body of the sari. The same I showed in orange. This is the last one in royal blue. So this is how it looks. You can see the sheen of the sari. It's beautiful. So this is the overall look of the sari. I'll show you the drape also. Awesome collection. Harini ma'am, welcome to our live. So those of you who couldn't see our live now, I'll be posting this as a reel, so you can continue watching from there and booking your orders as well. So this is our last sari of our live today. So this is how the drape is. This is how our drape is. And this is how the pallu is. I'll show you the pallu in close up with all over floral motif like this with a third color contrast. And you can see the floral motif in the pallu, the border. And this is how the work is. These all are zari weaving all over. You can see the work. Purnima ma'am, thank you. Welcome ma'am. So this is how it looks, our sari number 11. And this is a red, a proper bright scarlet red. So this is the contrast blouse piece for this. So yes, love your collection, Bobby ma'am. Thank you so much. That's indeed a pleasure for us to know as well, and it helps us doing the live even better and getting new collections to you as and when it's launched. So do let us know what all you all want to watch. I will be ending my live now with this last sari which I showed now. So do let us know next what you all would want to watch. Please DM us or WhatsApp us with how was our collection. And we will see you again next week on Friday. Thank you for staying with us.